All right, the Tokyo Origami Museum. What a lovely museum. It's situated in the vicinity of other notable museums in the Asakusa area. So if you're walking around town, you certainly want to step in and take a moment to enjoy some really remarkable pieces of origami. If you're relying upon public transportation, it may not be as convenient for you. It might be a bit out of the way, but well worth it nonetheless. No recommended admission fee, nor an admission fee for that matter. So why not stop in, maybe purchase a couple pieces of origami or proper origami folding paper or instructional guides on origami. Many of the resources, as you might imagine, are going to be in Japanese, but again, check this place out. One of the notable pieces of origami that I recall was a miniature piece of origami that was a crane, which you may know about the importance of cranes with origami. It's interesting, you might want to look into it, but this crane was smaller than that. In fact, for scale, there was a sewing needle situated right next to the crane on display. So I'm not sure what the dimensions were exactly, but it was extremely small, and there was a magnifier so that you could appreciate the origami. That was really neat. There were a few other remarkable pieces. I won't spoil it for you, but it was great because the museum, while not a large museum, does house local artists, contemporary origami pieces, and so that's really neat to look at and support. So yeah, check it out. I'll be sure to post the address for you and all that good stuff. The individuals working there didn't speak English, at least the ones working at the time, but yeah, you can check it out at your own pace. Again, it's not that large. Photos were encouraged, however, so that's always nice. Yeah, why not check it out? Tokyo Origami Museum.